Good morning, everyone, dear students. Right now, we all are in lockdown and in a difficult situation. Everyone know. So, in this difficult situation, we are okay. So, we are do some things in educations also. It is not be the point of worry because through electromagnetics and through the medias, we are also we studies right now. So, we are not going to face many problems. So, today we will try to start our videos. First chapter, that is reflection and refraction. It is very important chapters from the standard 10th. In physics, 3 chapters is very important. First one is light, reflection and refraction. Second one is electricity, and third one is electromagnetic induction. These 3 chapters which is very important for state board, either ICSE or CBSE. All the board which is very important, these chapters. So now the first topic which is light. अब हम ये चैप्टर से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं तो इसके जो फर्स्ट टॉपिक फर्स्टली लाइट, तो हम लाइट को अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे कि व्हाट इज लाइट. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव व्हिच इज डिटेक्टेड बाय ह्यूमन आइज. तो एनी रेज व्हिच इज डिटेक्टेड बाय आवर आइज and the image can be formed, that is known as light or visible. In other words, we are simply say that visible radiation, that is known as light. Now reflection of light, what is reflection of light and which type of question which can be asked in exam which is related to the reflection of light. Now the process of bouncing back of ray of light when fall on a smooth surface. Now we will take the mirror and a rays of light which is fall on a smooth surface. Now a rays of light which is fall and now bounce back. So when it is rays which will bounce back when a perpendicular normal which can be formed on a smooth surface, and after forming normal, these rays of reflect bounce back. Now we will indicate of PQ, that is known as incidence ray, reflected rays and normal. One point is very important. The gradient of normal always be a 90 degree. Always be a 90 degree. Just like example, if we are sitting on a dark room and we are going to be see any object, so when it is possible to be see object whatever in front of your eyes, when rays of light which is in your eyes on retina, they form the point of normal, and after the formation of point of normal, the incidence ray which is reflect, and after reflected these ray we are capable to see any object which is in front of ours. So now that is the incidence ray and that is known as reflected rays, and that is the point of normal. One thing is very important, point of normal which is very important for reflected rays, because when normal is not be formed on any surface, smooth surface or rough surface, the right means the rays which is not be reflected. So that is known as, there is two angle which can be formed. First one is angle of incidence and angle of reflection. So now students, firstly we will clear the reflection of light, the process of bouncing back of ray of light when fall on a smooth surface. So with the help of this diagram, we will clearly explain about the reflection of light. Now the second thing is laws of reflection of light. Laws of reflection of light, which is very important, laws of reflection of light. Now what is the first law of reflection of light? The first law of reflection of light, angle of incidence. Angle of incidence always equal to angle of reflection. Angle of reflex means angle I is equals to angle R. It is a very important law of reflection of light. Which is very important law of reflection of light, means angle of incidence always equal to the angle of reflection. Just like we see the diagram, angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Now, second law of reflection of light is incidence ray, normal and reflected rays all are lies on same plane. All are lies on same plane means incidence ray, reflected rays and normal all are lies on same plane. All are lies on same plane. Incidence ray, just like we will take incidence ray, normal and reflected rays. All are lies on same place. Not any rays which is being in a downward directions. Each and every rays reflected either normal or incidence. All are lies on same plane. Now, two law of reflection of light. First one is angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection, and second one is incidence ray, reflected ray and normal all are lying on same plane. Now, one important question is there. There is two surface. First one is smooth surface. Now, a smooth surface. Now, from this law, one important question is came in our mind. What if surface is smooth or rough? So these law of reflections can be work or not work out in this smooth surface or rough surface. So when surface is smooth, when a surface is smooth, now that is the ray, incidence ray, and that is the reflected ray. So what we will observe there, in a smooth surface, that is regular reflection of light also, when incidence ray is always parallel to reflected rays. Incidence ray is always parallel to reflected rays in a smooth surface. So what we will observe there, incidence ray is parallel to be a reflected rays. Incidence ray parallel to reflected rays. But in this either means here that is angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflection when surface will be a smooth. Now, the surface which will be a irregular means rough surface, means surface which is not be a regular, rough surface. So what we will do means rough surface just like this. So what when incidence ray which is fall on a rough surface, so what we will observe, the reflected rays which is go in a different direction, not be a parallel, means incidence ray not be parallel to reflected ray in a irregular surface, irregular surface. So what we will observe in irregular surface, in both the surface either smooth or rough surface, the law of reflection of light which will be worked out. It is very important question. Last year in Science Olympiad, this is one question which can be came, if we will take a smooth surface, the law of reflection of light which can be completely work out, but in a irregular surface, the law of reflection can be work out or not. Definitely, because any surface, just like a rays of light which is 43 degrees there, so definitely the reflected rays also be of 43 degrees, but not be in a same direction, which is not be a parallel. Incidence ray and reflected ray are not be a parallel, but the value of the angle which will be same in irregular surface or regular surface. Now, it is very important topic, reflection of light. From these we will take the two topic, means reflection of light, that is law of reflection of light, angle I equals to angle R, incidence ray, reflected ray and normal, which all are lies on same plane, and from this two surface, irregular surface and regular surface. So regular surface, what we will observe, angle of incidence is always equal to the angle of reflected, and second one is angle of incidence which will be parallel to the angle of reflected rays in irregular surface, angle of incidence is equal to be the angle of reflected, but angle of incidence not be parallel to the angle of reflection. This, and now second is incidence ray, reflected ray and normal all are lies on same plane.